Welcome to Manlangit Nature Park with Maddie. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Maddie.
Hey, here we are in Manlangit Nature Park at Buena Vista, Butuan City. So, what are their features? They have horse riding and ostrich viewing, 360-degree restaurant, and a Cafe di Manlangit outdoors gig. They have a acoustic, like mga songs nga makapawa sa gugmang giatay na ila diriya. So if you choose to come here, feel free. So ang ilahang entrance is 210 sa pareha nato nga mga beauty. Anyways, if you want to have their sumptuous food, ang ilahang eat all you can is 599 pesos. So you can see a very nice view over here. Okay. So now look at the view over my back. So it's an overlooking view at the top of Manlangit. Okay, so it's so nice, lovely, have better entrance, occupied with orchidariums, flowers and everything. So take a look at this view. Okay, welcome Butuan. So makita gid nimo ang surface how beautiful is Butuan. Tangtaw na to shades so that we can see the beauty in it. They have their own space if you want to dine in inside. Na sila usa mura sila og rooms if you want to have a reservation. So they have this kind of station. So like over here, so you can see if you want to dine in outside, it's an overview here. So it's Maddie's vlog on coming here. So see over here, look at our way. So it's so like curvy out there, curve. So sa gikan ka sa baba, pana simentado simentado, pero paabot na portion nga rough road na ang dalan. So make sure that naka-mask mo to avoid yung mga abog. If you want to have relaxation, tranquility, solitude, please come over here at Manlangit because it's so very nice. So nice ambience and it can help your body motivate well. Okay, it's work na tomorrow. So like you have gaining some sort of energy from the environment. So if you can see this, they planted a lot of flowers to make it more beautiful. Okay, look at the one. It's like one that we have in Claveria. So pag mo grow na ni siya pag so sunod na mga puhon, maybe grabe na ni siya kagana. Okay, look at here. Hi Earl, welcome to my vlog. Look at the view, so superb. Anyone can tell. It's if you all know that this Manlangit Nature Park is owned by a privatized person. So super nice. Now we are here sa ila 300i Cafe di Manlangit. Okay, hi. Okay, welcome to my vlog. So they are very gorgeous. Okay, welcome to 360-degree restaurant at Manlangit. Mga accommodating kayo ilahang mga ago. Hi kuya. And now this is now what the very exciting is the 599 eat all you can. So Maxi, kuway. Here's the buffet out there.
Thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again for my upcoming vlogs for another trip for the Maxi Scooter Club ride.
So when you stop paying so
Keep
much
tuning in
attention,
and subscribe
you're
my
moving
YouTube
in
channel,
another
Madi.
don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the